Bonjour, I'm Mathilde from French Address in Paris and I answer your questions on all things French. Today's question is, what gifts for someone going to Paris? C'est parti? The French beret is a must-have accessory for a Parisian look, for photo shoots, selfies in front of Paris monuments or just when strolling in Paris. Wearing this beret will immediately give the chic French style someone is dreaming about. The authentic French beret is very light, so it can be worn all year long, whatever the season of the visit in Paris. Strolling in the Tuileries Garden is a must during a trip to Paris. Sitting on the famous green chairs, observing the gardens, admiring this poetic place. It's a suspended moment where someone will be inspired by the magic of Paris and will enjoy writing down some thoughts on a notebook. And for the ones that won't have time to wander, the notebook can also be used as a travel diary to keep the best memories of this unique trip. Where is my passport? Where are the tickets? These are questions we ask ourselves several times a day when we are traveling, and it's always deep in our bag. So, a great gift idea for someone going to Paris is a pouch to keep these little things needed several times a day. It's very practical. It will keep safe and close all the papers and documents needed during the Paris trip. There's something we barely buy for ourselves, but that is so useful that we're always glad to receive as a gift. If you're a traveler, you may have guessed I'm talking about the luggage tag. Definitely a great gift for someone going to Paris. All the more if it's a luggage tag made in France, by a Parisian brand, and with the beautiful French words, Bon voyage, have a nice trip. That's a great idea, right? Visiting Paris is an intensive experience. Monuments to see, museums to visit, food specialties to taste. Someone going to Paris is sure to walk a lot. This is why there are 3 essentials for any Paris visitor. Number 1, comfortable shoes and a pair of nice shoes for photos and fancy places. Number 2, a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated. And number 3, a scarf because weather changes quickly and it's a way to dress up. To carry these essentials all day long through Paris, the best option is a tote bag. This is a great idea gift for someone going to Paris. A woman going to Paris secretly hopes to be called a Parisienne. Do her this little pleasure and offer her a cosmetic bag with the pretty French word Parisienne, meaning Parisian. She will be thrilled to be recognized as such, and even more when you'll tell her the cosmetic bag was made in Paris. It's a lovely and practical accessory for her trip to Paris and for all her future getaways. Et voilà, now you have several ideas of gifts for someone going to Paris. And if you need more inspiration, check my website, french-address.com. See you!